Hello everyone, how are you? I hope you are fine. As you know, I am bringing no crypto project in which you can invest and get profit. So today we bring a new amazing charity project. Its name is Baby BNB Tiger. Guys, this is the first cryptocurrency charity project. So we discuss more detail about this project. You can see this baby BNB Tiger listed and you can start trading on Deskiner. You can check here Deskiner page interface. You can see this baby BNB Tiger price chart, price is up and down. You can get huge profits. You can get profit 1000x soon. You can see this, and next guys you can check here price USD. You can see this price of USDT, and next guy you can check here liquidity 215k dollar, market cap 1.0 million dollar. You can check here, and next guy you can see this buys 5%, sales 3%, buy volume $56, sale volume $37, buyers 5, sellers 2. You can check here all transaction detail. You can see this, and next guys we go to DEX tools. You can click here and see this page is open. So guys, first of all you can connect your wallet, then you can swap. Now you can check here baby BNB Tigers price 0.01814 dollar. You can see this price is up and down. You can check here price chart, and next we go to this project official website baby BNB Tiger. You can see this first charity meme coin baby BNB Tiger. Our main mission is happiness, unity, success and prosperity of every person who comes into contact with baby BNB Tiger, helping orphanages and protecting animals. And as guys you can see this, you can buy on PancakeSwap.finance. You can click here and see this page is loading. It's take time, then you can see this page is open now. So guys you can check here PancakeSwap.finance page is open. So first of all you can connect your wallet. You can click here and connect following wallet: MetaMask, Trust Wallet, OKX Wallet, Binance Wallet. Then guys you can select network. You can click here and select network. So I select network BNB chain. Then you can enter your BNB amount. For example, I enter BNB amount 200. Then you can buy baby BNB Tiger. If you swap baby BNB Tiger to BNB, then you can click here and enter your baby BNB Tiger amount. Then you can buy BNB now. And next we back to the home page and see this more detail about this project. You can check here pictures. We are fully in favor of decentralization. One of our main tasks is to popularize BNB. Our mission is abundance and prosperity worldwide. Guys, you can join this community 20k plus happy customers. And next guys you can check here chart. You can see this desk screener chart. You can check here where discuss this retail. You can see this, and next guys you can check here our global partnership. You can check here all the partner: Trust Wallet, Ledger. You can see this Pocoin, Flocky, DexView, BitGet. You can see this all the global partner. And next guys you can see this about welcome baby BNB Tiger. We are creating a modern ecosystem that will bring people from all over the world together to provide financial support to charities around the world. We believe that cryptocurrency investment are one of the most effective ways to support charities. The first charity project in cryptocurrency to start a trend of charity in cryptocurrency June 2024. And as guys you can check here what we do. Every one of our holders automatically becomes a benefactor. You can see this charity baby BNB Tiger allocates a portion of its fund to support charitable initiatives. We actively cooperate with organizations assisting children, animals and those in need of help. And next guys you can check here NFT collection. NFT collection, you can see this NFT collection baby BNB Tiger has created unique NFTs that are expected to become valuable assets in future due to their uniqueness and functionality. And next guys you can see this charity meme coin. So guys you can see the charity meme coin Baby BNB Tiger is not just a token, it's an idea of creating good in the world of cryptocurrencies and blockchain. You can check here DEX tool chart. We'll discuss this DEX tool chart. And next guys, you can see this more detail about this project. You can see this what does a happy holder of the Baby BNB Tiger token receive. You can check here excellent sport, friendly community, expanding philanthropy, high level of happiness. You can check here all detail. And next guys, you can see the roadmap of Baby BNB Tiger, blockchains, Baby BNB Tiger and its own blockchain. You can check here marketplace. You can see this. We are thrilled to announce the upcoming launch of our NFT marketplace, showcasing a curated collection of unique artworks infused with artificial intelligence. Marketing, you can click here and see this marketing detail, charity detail. You can see this. We are excited to announce our ambitious goals of supporting our 1000 children homes globally throughout the Baby BNB Tiger project this year. You can check here. And next guy, you can see the tax detail. You can see this. And next guy, you can see this. We sincerely thank everyone involved in the development and support of our project Baby BNB Tiger. You can go to PancakeSwap and go to chart where discuss this. And next guy, you can see this. Baby BNB Tiger is a cryptocurrency project with a heart. You can buy this token now through pancakes.finance. You can contact us, email charity@babybnbtiger.top, marketing @babybnbtiger.top, babybnbtiger@babybnbtiger.top. And next guy, you can join this project on following social media platform: Telegram, Twitter. So we go to this project official Twitter page. So guys, you can see this Baby BNB Tiger official Twitter page is open. You can follow this and get information about this project. You can check here official Telegram group channel link. You can see this DEX tool link, official website link. You can check here. And that guy, you can see this. You can see this all post about this project Baby BNB Tiger. You can like and comment this post and retweet this post. You can see this all post. And next we back to the home page. And next we go to this project official Telegram group channel. So guys, you can see this Baby BNB Tiger official Telegram group chat community is open. You can see these 9,918 members that join this group. So guys, you can join this group. You can see this official channel link. You can go to the official channel global group link. You can check here. You can see this. And next we back to the home page. And next guys, you can see this white paper and blog detail. You can read carefully all detail. So guys, this website video is finished. If you like my video, then don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for latest update.